Are you posting videos on YouTube, but you're wondering if YouTube will ever notice your videos? Or basically, you are a small YouTuber or an upcoming one, and you're wondering if YouTube will ever notice your video? Well, stick around in this video because I'm going to share with you today 5 clear signs YouTube is about to promote your channel in 2026 and how you can take advantage of these signs to grow your audience very fast. Because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to watch for in your analytics and how to keep your YouTube algorithm on your side. Before we dive right into the video, if you are new here, hello and welcome. On here I teach you how to grow on YouTube and everything that you need to know, because I currently run 5 YouTube channels and I've monetized 4 out of them. So I teach you everything that has worked for me on my 4 channels that are monetized, so that you too can be able to monetize yours. If you like content about growing here on YouTube, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you got a value or two from it, and let me know the next video you would love me to do for you in the comment section. So let's dive right in. The very first sign that YouTube is about to promote your channel or your videos is if you are having higher click-through rate. Now, click-through rate simply means people are actually clicking on your videos. People that are seeing your thumbnail are actually clicking on your videos. If YouTube is showing your videos more often and people are clicking on them, that's a huge algorithm signal. You can check your CTRO in your analytics and your reach generally. Okay, a CTRO between 4% to 10% is a very healthy CTRO for small channels, and if you have your CTRO is sitting at between 4 to 10%, just get ready, because the YouTube algorithm is about to blow up on your channel or your video, right? If your CTRO is low but impressions are high, consider changing your thumbnail or title. YouTube just wants content that grabs attention. Okay, that is something that you want to take note of. Number 2 thing for you to take note of that means that YouTube is about to blow up your channel is longer average view duration. Now, when it comes to how people stay long on your channel, this is something that is very key to the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm wants a situation where if people are staying to watch most of your videos, like, YouTube is going to notice it. The algorithm loves content that keeps people watching or engaged, because it means your videos add value. If people are watching your videos, to the YouTube algorithm, it means that your videos are valuable. And the YouTube algorithm, they always want a situation where people are always on the YouTube app, right? Sitting longer, staying longer. So if your videos is actually keeping them engaged, keeping them watching for a long time, trust me, YouTube is going to promote your channel very soon than you know. The third thing you want to know when it comes to what to look out for when it comes to YouTube promoting your YouTube channel is your increasing impression. Like, your impression are increasing. The first sign, like, this is actually the first sign that YouTube is going to start pushing your content or your video, right? If your impression is rising, it means YouTube is actually showing your videos to more people. They are testing your videos to more people. Impressions are how many times your videos or thumbnail is shown to viewers. So if you check your analytics and you see that your YouTube impression or your video impression, the impression on your videos is actually growing very well, then just know that YouTube is promoting your content. And of course, if YouTube is promoting your videos or testing it with a wider audience, there is more chance for your videos to get more views and more chance for people to also sit and watch your videos for longer. Okay, so when you see your impression growing, just know that this is a sign. This is when you don't have to stop. This is when you start pushing more content out there. Okay, you guys, the number 4 thing that you should look out for when it comes to if YouTube is about to promote your content or your channel is your audience returning for more. Trust me, YouTube wants returnees on your videos. YouTube wants when your subscribers come back for more. It shows them that your channel is valuable, right? And so they always look out for how often, right, your viewers come back, right? Your viewers retention and how much they return back to your views or to your videos, right? Now you want to make sure that your viewers retention is high, which means go straight to the point, no blabbing. Let them know from the beginning the pain points and their solutions or the solutions you're about to give, and also try as much as you can to keep them longer on your videos. When YouTube sees the same audience coming back to watch your videos multiple times or watching multiple videos, it interprets your content as addictive in a good way, which means your contents are good, and this is something that YouTube love. Trust me, if this is happening in your videos, the YouTube algorithm is about to blow up your channel. Number 5 thing you want to know when it comes to if YouTube will ever promote your content is the algorithm testing your content. Now, of course, one thing you want to know when it comes to starting up or creating videos on YouTube is the algorithm is always going to test your videos, especially as a small YouTuber, because the algorithm still needs to know who your videos are for, and the kind of audience to take your videos to. So the more they keep pushing it to more audience, the more the algorithm tries to understand who actually wants your content or who your content are for. So you may notice sudden spikes or drops in your impression, your CTR, or your watch time. This is the algorithm trying to see if your videos will perform well with a broader audience. If the test goes well, your video gets promoted to more people. If the test doesn't, YouTube tweaks your reach until it finds the right audience. So you want to make sure that even while all these things are happening, you keep posting content, you keep improving, even the value of your video, rather, the consistency. Just make sure that you are consistent, not until you are perfect, right? You are consistent, but yet you are improving, right, on every video. So make sure that you are doing your best so that YouTube can actually see reasons to actually promote your videos. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video about growing here on YouTube, which I always do, you will not miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and do not forget to let me know the next video that you want me to create for you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.